Other Josh on the weather deck, and Josh, is it feeling like Malibu weather out there right now?
A little bit. I mean, sometimes they have temperatures in the 70s in the evening out in Southern California, right? I think what the answer to your question is, will next week be like Malibu weather here in Syracuse? And I think it's going to be kind of a yes and then eventually a no. We'll see that on the 7-day forecast coming up. Let's give you the weather headlines, though, as we go through time here. The top 3 things, remember, about the forecast to help you make decisions so you know what's coming up. I think for tonight, clouds overhead right now, high and middle of clouds, will slowly clear out while we're sleeping. It'll be feeling cool out, kind of comfortable, kind of nice for a while. Not really cold, not as cold as some of the nights we've had here recently. So overall, not bad. On Sunday, after that quiet, nice start, it'll be a pretty blue sky with some sun for everybody, feeling very warm. And yeah, I'm using this word. It's going to feel a bit hot out. Today, would you believe that the Syracuse Hancock Airport made it up to 80 degrees? We were forecasting upper 70s, but we squeezed out 80 with clouds, and it's the end of September. Tomorrow with more sun, I'm thinking it's going to be a little bit hotter than today. Next week, we do have warm weather continuing right through Tuesday, the final day of September 2025, and temps will begin to feel more like fall as we flip the calendar to October and right into next weekend. Temperatures right now, very nice. 74 at the airport in Syracuse, 73 Rome, 72 Ithaca, 60s for Cortland and Hamilton, and 70 right now in the Fulton area. Triple Doppler, sponsored by Falso Service Experts. Some light green blips down towards the northern sections of the border of Pennsylvania with southern New York. Otherwise, just some high-level clouds moving through. Things are pretty quiet. High pressure with its dry and stable air mass is going to help come in and erase these clouds with this area low pressure down to our southeast. That's getting out of here. And this high is going to kind of permanently locate itself in the northeast. I'm going to say permanently, semi-permanently come in and not move all that much next week and keep some nice weather going. Futurecast. Temperatures overnight will slowly go from 60s and I think down to maybe within a few degrees of 60. Some rural towns, villages, mid and upper 50s, so a quiet start to Sunday. If you usually go out and do some shopping or groceries on Sunday, you probably won't really need a jacket because we're going to warm up fast. I think temperatures on this map and this model are too cold. I think many locations will meet and exceed 80 degrees. And it will feel kind of hot when you step out of the car and step out of your house or apartment outside during the afternoon. Heading into Sunday night and into Monday, a little bit cooler by Monday morning than tonight. And I think once again, it'll be very warm with highs, again, close to 80, if not just in the 70s. Tonight, forecasting a low of 60 if you live outside the Syracuse area. 50s for you, not all that cold. Next 7 days, going 82 tomorrow, kind of hot. Monday 80, Tuesday 77, October 1st, Wednesday, there you go, 68, 64, 67 for the end of the week. I think frost alerts may be issued for some counties Wednesday night, and again Thursday night with lows 30s and 40s. And right now next Saturday looks pretty nice with highs close to 70, Gary.